Good morning, student. Today we are going to continue our revision of chapter 2 operations with large number. Today we will discuss upon simplification, simplify as well as the story sums, which are both mix of multiplication and division. So first we will discuss upon simplify. In the simplify you have to simplify the question. In front of us I have a question. Suppose I have taken an example 20 plus 16 divided by 2. So first we have to remember about the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule means B for bracket of. So you have to remove the bracket. So you have to remove the bracket of. D for division. The division will solve first. M for multiplication. A for addition. And S for subtraction. So we have to discuss upon this BODMAS rule. First we have to what? Divide this 16 divided by 2. We got 8. And this is the answer. 20 plus 8. We got the answer 28. In this way we can do the simplification. We will take another example of simplification. Another example of simplification is 30 plus 50 divided by 25 minus 10. First what we have to do? We have to solve this division. 30 plus 50, this is divided by this, so we get the answer 2 minus 10. 32 minus 10, we got the answer 22. In this way we can do this type of simplification. This simplification can be done. Now we will take some more examples so you can easily understand the simplification. 3 plus 4 multiply by 2. In this case first you have to remove the bracket. Remove the bracket means 7 multiply by 2. You got the answer 14. So this can be easily done by removing the brackets. Another example is 9 minus 1 multiply by 2. So you have to first subtract it because it is in the bracket. You have to subtract it. 8 multiply by 2. You got the answer 16. So this is all about the simplification. So let's take some more example for understanding. A question is there. 20 multiply by, this is the square bracket, parenthesis, 28 minus 17 minus 12 minus 3 divided by 10. The bracket is closed. So first we have to remove the bracket. Inner bracket first we will remove 28. So bracket will be 5 minus 3 divided by 10. 20 multiply by, first we have to remove the bracket. 28 minus 5 minus 3 10. 20 multiply by, first we have to solve this minus 8, so we get the answer 20 divided by 10. What will the answer? 20, then it will be divided, the answer is 2, so the answer is 40. So in this way we can do the simplification. So this is the method of simplification. First you have to remove the bracket, that means the bracket of, then the division, then the multiplication, addition and subtraction. In this way you can do the simplify. Now student, we have to do some story sums. Story sums can be done. So story sums will be first, before the story sums is there. So we have to get the story sums by this. The exercise 2.10 is there. The price of dozen exercise book is rupees 72. Find the cost of 18 exercise book. The price of dozen exercise means in the price of exercise dozen exercise we have 12. One dozen equals to 12. One dozen equals to 12. So the 12 exercise books, so the 12 exercise book equals to rupees 72. This is the rupees 72 of the 12 exercise book. One exercise book equals to what? 72. We have to divide the 72 by the 12. So the answer is 6. Rupees 6. One exercise book equals to rupees 6. So we have to find out the 18 exercise book. 18 exercise book equals to 18 multiplied by 6. When you multiply by 6, 108 rupees. So you got the 108 rupees. In this way you can do the question. Now we will take another example related to this story sums. The cost of 12 meter cloth is rupees 480. The cost of 12 meter of cloth rupees 480. Find the cost of 8 meter of cloth. So the cost of 12 meter of cloth. How much amount? Rupees 480. We have to find the cost of 1 meter of cloth. 1 meter of cloth equals to how much? 480 divided by 12. When you divide the 480 with 12, you got the answer rupee 40. So the cost of 1 meter cloth is rupee 40. We have to find the cost of 8 meter. So the cost of 8 meter cloth equals to rupees 40 multiplied by 8. So we get the answer 320 rupees. So in this way, first we have to find out the cost of 1 rupee, and then we have to find the cost of 8 meter cloth. We have to find the cost of 1 meter cloth, and then we have to find the cost of 8 meter cloth. So in this way we can do these types of question. Now we will do the another question, the question of exercise 2.10 of your book. The rent of the house is 18,000 per year. The rent of the house is 18,000 per year. What is the rent of 8 months? So the rent of house per year. The rent of house per year means the 12 month. Per year equals to the 12 month. So we have the rupees 18,000. 18,000 is the answer. Now we have to find the rent of 1 month. Rent of 1 month equals to what we have to do? We have to divide 18,000. We have to divide 18,000 with the 12. We have to find 18,000 with the 12. When we divide 18,000 with the 12, we got the answer. This is the 12. 1 we multiply by the 12, we got the 60. Now it will divide by 5. The answer is 0. So it will be carried out. So the answer is 1,500. The answer is 1,500 is the rent of 1 month. We have to find the rent of 8 month. If we have to find the rent of 8 month, the rent of 8 month will be the rent of 8 month. 8 month equals to what we have to do? We have to multiply 1,500 multiply by 8. So the answer is rupees 12,000. The 12,000 is the rent of 8 months. So in this way we can do the question. Now student, what is the homework for today? You have to revise the chapter. You have to revise. The homework for today is you have to revise revision of chapter 2. You have to revise the chapter 2. Revision of chapter 2. So today that's all for today. Thank you students.